no Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitz. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say Santa came to say, Rudolph red-nosed so bright, in all the reindeer loved as they shouted out their glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Coming into the North Pole Station now, make sure you have all personal items with you before you leave the train. We will come to pick you up at a later time. There is hot cocoa, hot coffee. There is also popcorn, cookies, and other things available there while you're waiting to visit with Santa. Please remain seated till we completely stop. Thank you.
Yeah, she's on.
Christmas tunnel, folks, get your cameras ready. And to get into the station, Mrs. Claus is just off to your right there, and she has cookie making and story time over there. Be sure to go over and say hi to her as soon as we pull into the station.
Oh, slow! Oh, slow! Slow! Goodbye.